A healthy relationship is about your destiny. It's not about your pleasure. It's not about you trying to impress anybody. It's about purpose. It's about destiny in life. The Bible says in the book of Amos 3:3, can two work together except they agree? You don't work to agree. You agree to work. There must be an agreement. When we come to the issue of love and destiny in alignment, there must be an agreement. A place where your calling as a man have a role to play in the calling of the woman you are interested in or dating or married to, and the calling of the woman have a role to play in your calling as a man. There must be an agreement in the place of values. There must be an agreement in the place of priorities. There must be an agreement in the place of necessities and needs. I'm not saying similarity, I'm saying agreement. So individual differences are permitted. What alignment requires is one, mutuality, mutual benefit. A relationship that does not benefit the man and benefit the woman at the same time is not a healthy relationship. And how to embrace unity is for you to understand that unity is not self-abandonment or neglecting somebody else's need. Unity is of faith. Unity of faith, unity of calling, unity of purpose, unity of direction. Unity is when the calling of the man and the calling of the woman coming together will project Christ, edify the people, and help the two individuals, either in a premarital relationship or marital relationship, to be fulfilled. And why love collapses without agreement is this: any healthy relationship or godly relationship without an agreement of purpose is going to collapse, because what is not sustained or start on the corridor of destiny and purpose cannot be sustained by God. Disorderliness is one of the greatest problems in relationship. There is an order in a relationship, an order of how a man should nurture the woman and bring out the best in her, the order of how a woman is supposed to be a help and a support system, the order of where a man needs to lead and the woman needs to cooperate and follow. And who qualifies for your destiny? It's not the most handsome, the most beautiful, but he or whosoever, of course the opposite gender, that wants to cooperate with what God is doing in your life, and you are ready to cooperate with what God is doing in their life. Such person is qualified for your future.